Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my channel We Subscribe English, and this is my handle, which is We Subscribe _English. So in this video I'm going to teach you about using helping verbs with different pronouns. So the helping verbs are am, is, was, are and were. So in this video I'm going to explain to you how to use these helping verbs with certain pronouns. So before that, you need to understand about first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. So I and we are first person pronouns. In this case, I is singular first person pronoun and we is plural first person pronoun, right? So with singular first person pronoun, you need to use am in present tense and was in past tense. So let me give you an example. I am learning English, which is happening now, so it is in present tense. I was learning English when you called me. So when you called me, I was learning English. So it is in past tense. So in present tense, you need to use am with I, and in past tense you need to use was. And with first person plural pronoun you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense. So with we you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense. So let me make it clear with an example. We are listening to the song. So at present we are listening to the song. We were listening to the song before 1 hour. So before 1 hour we were listening to a song. So we are listening to the song. This is in present tense. We were listening to the song before 1 hour. This is in past tense. So you use we are in present tense. We were in past tense. Next, second person singular pronoun is you, and with you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense. For example, you are talking loudly. So it is in the present tense. You were talking loudly during the last period. So during the last period in the class, you were talking loudly. So it happened before. So it is in past tense. So you are and you were. Next, he, she and it. These are third person singular pronouns and they is third person plural pronoun. So with he, she and it you need to use the helping verbs is in present tense and was in past tense. And in case of they, which is in plural form, you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense. So he is, she is, it is, they were, they are, they were, it was, she was, he was, etc. So let me give you examples for this. She is cooking food for her friends now. So it is present tense. She was cooking food for her friends when you came. So when you came, she was cooking food. So that is in the past tense. So she is, she was. Same way it applies for he also and for it also. So here is an example. It is raining heavily, which is in present tense. It was raining heavily yesterday. So yesterday it was raining heavily. So that is in past tense. So it is, it was. Here is another example. They are busy today. So today, presently, they are busy. They were busy yesterday. So yesterday they were busy. So they are busy today is in present tense. They were busy yesterday is in past tense. So they are, they were. Let me give you a recap once again. So I is singular first person pronoun and you need to use am, I am, present tense, I was is past tense. Next, with we you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense, and we is first person plural pronoun. Next, you is second person singular pronoun and you need to use are in present tense and were in past tense. You are, you were. Next, he, she, it are third person singular pronouns and you need to use is in present tense and was in past tense. Next, they is third person plural pronoun. You need to use are in present tense, were in past tense. So they are, they were. So if you tell I am cooking, then you are the first person, right? If you tell you are cooking, then it is the second person. You are denoting to a second person. If you tell they are cooking or he is cooking or she is cooking, then that means it is third person, right? So I think you all are clear with this concept. So in case of negative sentences and affirmative sentences, you need to use the helping verb after the pronoun. For example, I am, she was not, they are, we were not, he is, it was not, etc. But in case of interrogative sentences, you need to write the helping verb first and then you need to write pronoun after helping verb. So for example, is she coming today? Is she coming today? So in this case, is the helping verb which is written at the beginning of the sentence and she is the pronoun which is written after is, after the helping verb. So what could be the answer for that question? It could be yes or it could be no, right? So if it is yes, this is a positive or affirmative sentence. So yes, she is coming today. So in this sentence you write the helping verb after the pronoun. And this is a negative sentence. No, she isn't coming today or she is not coming today. So this is a negative sentence and in this case also this helping verb comes after the pronoun. But in interrogative sentence, the helping verb comes at the beginning of the sentence. Is she coming today? Let me give you another example. Are you happy? Are you happy? So this is an interrogative sentence. Here the helping verb comes first and then pronoun. Next example, are they learning English? So here the helping verb comes first and the pronoun comes next. So what could be the answer for this question? So you could reply it as yes, they are learning English or no, they are not learning English. So in these both sentences, the pronoun comes first and then the helping verb because these sentences are positive and negative sentences respectively. But in interrogative sentence, the helping verb are comes first and then the pronoun comes next. One more example, is it too heavy? So you could answer it as yes, it is too heavy or no, it is not too heavy. So in case of negative and affirmative sentences, pronoun comes first and helping verb comes next. But in case of interrogative sentences, helping verb comes first and pronoun comes next. For example, is she, was he, are we, were they, are you, etc. So thank you. Kindly like and share my video. Also subscribe my channel and don't forget to note down my handle, which is we subscribe _ English. Thank you.